Hello guys, welcome to Ambon Manisi. I'm Handrik Donipaldo Sinsu. I'm standing in Merdeka Square. In the during of 3 minutes, I will explain to you the place that people in Ambon visited in the weekend. The first place is the square that most people in Ambon visit. It is Merdeka Square. In the day, Merdeka Square is the place people in Ambon do some sport like basketball, football, skateboard, or something like that. But in the night, when the lights on, it's turned to a beautiful place. But people in Ambon always visit it in the night for hangout, and for the parents, they bring their kids to there. Like you see, like it is like playground for kids.
Menyapu hening negeriku, tak sadar ku di sini berdiri diam terpaku, menatap keindahan yang takkan tergantikan. Walau ku seberangi lautan, tempatku dilahirkan, tak terpisahkan makhlukku dari jiwa ragaku. Tetap menyatu walau nanti ku pergi jauh, kecintaanku takkan punah, itu takkan berubah sampai menutup mata hati tetap.
Okay, this is the second place, the most popular statue in Ambon beside Leimena statue and Christina statue. This is Pattimura statue. Pattimura, also known as Thomas Matulesi, is a hero from Molucas. He became a hero because he and his friend fights against POC to defend Molucas. Many people from Ambon or outside Ambon come to this statue, Pattimura statue, to take some photo or take some video. But the other reason is that they want to know the history of Pattimura. When they say Pattimura statue, in the side of Pattimura statue, they draw the history when Pattimura fights against POC. And this is the way Pattimura died. In 1817, when Pattimura died, before he died, he said for POC like this: maybe today I will die, but in the future will be born the young Pattimura.
Cemerlang bersedap pelangi, bumbui kemegahan alam Maluku lagi. Dengan lembutnya sapaan angin, Teluk Bagu walang menyapa tubuhku hampir tak bersuara. Tubuh elok keindahannya bertahan.
Okay, I'm sitting here in the third place. The third place that most people in Ambon visit is Natsepa Beach because it is very beautiful. Natsepa Beach, located in Suli. It is 18 kilometers from center of Ambon. But not only about the beautiful beach, but in here, this is rujak. Rujak is the fruit salad from Ambon. It is the traditional food from Ambon. It is very delicious. It makes from peanut, plum sugar, and many fruits. Guys, rujak is not perfect without this. This is coconut juice from Ambon. Everything is perfect here. Okay guys, that's all my explanation about place in Amboina that most people visit. And Amboina in the nights say hi.